This video is supported by AC Infinity. Yo, what's good everybody? Bass Drop Keys, your friendly neighborhood Negro. And in today's video, we're gonna do an unboxing and setup of the AC Infinity Cloudray S6 Generation 2 Grow Tent Clip Fan. This is the new and improved oscillating clip fan from AC Infinity. They have redesigned it and re-engineered it to be a lot better, and we're gonna check it out today. As always, if my video is the reason why you're gonna get this product or any of the AC Infinity products, use the code BASSDROPKEYS. That will give you a 10% discount on any order at acinfinity.com. So some of the things I want you guys to know about is it has been re-engineered to last a lot longer. Also, it's grow proof, so moisture is not going to mess it up. It also has 10 oscillation ranges, 10 fan speeds, and 10 dynamic levels that you can set your fan. And finally, it does work with the whole UIS system, which means that you can control the fan with the AC Infinity controller and control it with the app. All right guys, so now it's time for us to unbox it and set it up. If you guys have already bought any of the AC Infinity products, then you know that you'll get a grow guide and the instruction manual with each product that you buy. You can see that I'm unboxing the fan, and I gotta say that this does feel a lot more sturdy than the other fan. Also, as I'm showing you the back of it, which is where you can find the buttons to control the unit, you can see here that it has 10 levels. You can see the oscillating button. You can also see where we're gonna plug in our UIS cord, so that way we can control it with the app, but I'll show you that in just a little bit. Speaking on that, here is the UIS extension cord right here. And so now that we have it unboxed, we need to put it together. It's super easy to do. All of these fans always have one screw on it. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unscrew it. Make sure I have it the right way. You obviously know that it needs to clamp onto the pole, so make sure you have it the right way. Stick it on the back of the fan, stick the screw in, screw it in, and there you go. That's how easy it is to set it up. It's pretty simple. So once I do that, now I need to go ahead and put it on the pole itself. You can see how simple that is. I'm going to plug it up, and whenever I plug it up, you can see it's starting to go right there. Super easy. One thing that I did notice when I was doing this is this fan is super quiet. I'm going through the different speeds right now, and this fan is not loud at all. So I'm super happy with that. My other AC Infinity oscillating fans, they still work, but they don't oscillate anymore. I can still control them with the controller and with the app, but they won't oscillate anymore. So it seems like they really worked on making this a lot more durable, and I can really tell the difference. But all right, I have it plugged in. I can see that it's working just fine. So now what I want to do is I want to go ahead and hook it up to the controller. It's super easy. You're just going to take the UIS cable, stick it into the back just like this, and then you're going to stick it through the front of the tent and just plug it in the controller. Once you put it in the controller, you just want to put the controller back on the plate. And once you open up your app, you'll see that the fan has been connected. It's super easy. But all right, guys, that's it. That's how easy it is to unbox and set up the brand new AC Infinity Cloudray S6 Generation 2 clip-on fan. And now that that's done, you can see the equipment that I'm going to be using for season 6 of the AC Infinity Grow. This is the same 3x3 AC Infinity tent that you guys have seen from the beginning. It's my first one that I ever got. The light is the Ion Frame Evo 4 commercial grow light. The ventilation system that I'm using is the AC Infinity T4 inline fan and carbon filter combo. And finally, we just went over the brand new clip fan. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions about the inline fan, put them in the comment section. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at The Rookie Mycologist. I really appreciate all of you. And until I see you guys the next time, peace guys, I'm out. Much love.